Hello and welcome to Simple Beauty Secrets. Today's video is really interesting. There is a lot of beauty hacks on the internet, but today we are testing out some ancient beauty hacks that survive and are still useful. Before we go ahead, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Hack number 1. Remove unwanted hair using egg white. In ancient times, this trick was used to remove unwanted hair from the face and the body. Apply egg white on the area using a clean brush and leave it on for the next 30 minutes. When it's completely dried out, simply peel it off. This peel-off mask has very strong grip and it removes all unwanted hair instantly. It's quite effective, but it's a little bit painful, so I'm gonna give you this rating of 8 out of 10. Hack number 2. For dandruff and flaky scalp. Take a spray bottle and fill it with water. Squeeze the juice of a lemon in it and shake well. Next, wash your hair gently without using a shampoo. Spray the water you prepared on your wet scalp and leave it on for the next 20 minutes. After that, shampoo your hair normally. Do this 3 times a week, and this will remove all the dandruff and will also help get rid of flaky scalp. Hack number 3. For acne and pimples. This ancient method is so effective to get rid of acne and pimples. Simply take a handful of fresh neem leaves and blend them. We have to make neem leaves paste. Apply the prepared paste only to the specific areas where you have acne and pimples, and leave it overnight or at least for the next 4 to 5 minutes. After that, wash your face with tap water. Doing this daily for the next 5 to 10 days will help you eliminate acne and pimples. Hack number 4. Dark circles. Many of us already know this hack, but it's okay to repeat this for our young generation. In ancient times, dark circles were treated by using cucumber slices. Simply rub the cucumber slice on your dark circles and puffy eyes for 3 to 5 minutes and then wash the eyes after 5 to 7 hours. Doing this daily for the next couple of days will help you remove dark circles and puffy eyes. Hack number 5. For dark spots, black spots, and darkness around your lips. In old times, potatoes were used to treat dark spots. Apply to the areas where you have dark spots or black spots, or if you have darkness around your lips, apply there as well. Leave the juice on your skin for the next 30 minutes and after that, wash it off. Do this daily for the next 7 days to remove dark spots and black spots permanently. Hack number 6. For wrinkles and fine lines. Do you know that in ancient times aloe vera was used to prevent wrinkles and fine lines? Take a small cube of aloe vera and start rubbing it all around your face. After that, leave the gel on your face for at least 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, wash your face with lukewarm water. This way, you will never ever get wrinkles or fine lines. Hack number 7. For yellow teeth. Did you know that in old times there were no toothbrushes? So, in case you're traveling somewhere and you do not have your toothbrush, simply rub banana peel on your teeth for some minutes and you will get instantly sparkling white teeth. Doing this daily helps you whiten your dirty yellowish teeth. So, that was it for today. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course share this with your friends. See you in my next video. Bye bye!